Create amazing. Simply. Make your best movie ever with ease. Apply visual effects for a unique look. Use titles to tell your story. Create the perfect mood with the right colors. Track and highlight any objects. Rescue even badly recorded footage. Make stunning moments last longer. Create audio effects and soundtracks with the included music maker. Step into pro quality effects. Take your video editing to a whole new level. Vegas Movie Studio 17.
Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Take Stuff. My name is Ron, and today is Monday, 27th April 2020. Movie Studio 17 finally released. Now, I said I was going to do a walkthrough video, and for most people on my channel, you're already running Movie Studio 16 or older versions. Basically, you know how the program works. So what I'm going to do is just do the individual new features, videos on them. Now, the one I want to start with is a slow motion feature. It's got a new slow motion feature in Movie Studio 17. But one thing you might want to do before you start the program is some options are no longer available, but you can reactivate them by going to Options, Preferences, especially this one here. This is not enabled by default. Enable the QuickTime plugin. So if you're using MOV files, they won't work initially unless you enable this and restart the program. So what I'll do is later on today, I'll start doing tutorials on the new features in Movie Studio 17. So stay tuned to my channel. All day I'm going to be doing Movie Studio 17 videos. So if there's a link below, if you want to check it out on Magic's website, just click the link below and check out the program. And if you want to buy it, just buy it and just give it a shot. But we'll see you later on today. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.